Hello everyone, John Wilsie here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, home of the premium pre-owned store location here. This right in front of us is a 2015 Winnebago 24V. It is going to be a full body paint exterior with that ruby red two-tone here for you. You're going to have lots of storage underneath, outdoor shower, a nice little pass-through storage cubby place right back here in the back, right underneath the bed. You have your light system there for you. Now, the reason why I love the 24V is the twin bed split, and I'll kind of tell you a little more detail about that when we get inside. As soon as we walk in, nice open floor plan. You are going to have your couch there that drops down to a bed if you wanted to. It's a built-in air mattress. Captain chairs that do swivel. Natural skylighting. That does open up to make it bring more natural fresh air here for you. As soon as we walk in, flash screen TV. Options for extended counter space there for you. Right back here is that twin bed split. Does allow it to come together here for you if you want to make it into a king size bed or just have it divided. You are going to have your flat screen TV there for you. Storage space right underneath. And then there's your table extender that goes into those little peg holes there for you. Nice rear bath. Nice corner bath. Sorry about that. You're going to have your built-in generator there for you. Lots of storage for the refrigerator. Keep plenty of snacks there for you. So folks, if you think this coach might be the right one for you, I recommend coming down here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon. Get a chance to take a look at the 24V 2015. Ask for John. I'll be happy to take care of you.